Okay, one thing you should have noted here is the water reduces, the rotation also reduces. So what does that imply? As you go further from the equator, the winds become stronger. As you come closer, it reduces. So the line should be still. Understand, equator classical into two, the north and the southern hemisphere. Or equator is an imaginary line running from east to west as 0 degrees. Now from this position, this is east, this is west, this is north, south. The initial written down there S is south, the other side N is north, and the white substance here is the line and the equator. So it goes into. So you are very lucky our country passes. So we have to move some few meters to the north. You see what will happen, and I will explain more about it. So come to the northern hemisphere of the North Pole. As the equator cuts the hand into two, the coiling plants like beans, being planted at the north goes in a clockwise. The flushing of the toilet or the sink. Maybe after washing the utensils, you plug the liquid in the water. So when it goes clockwise, the cyclone swings. The devil's dust moves in a clockwise direction. The hair. People born at the northern part of the hemisphere, like Europe, Asia, if they comb their hair, it does not stand still. The grains of the hair coils in a clockwise line. Look of a newborn baby, then at the center of it, how the grains coils. If it coils clockwise, born at the northern part. So the experiment is called Coriolis effect. So these are simple apparatus, but when you have the machine, there's no need of this. You come with it, measure the equator at 0 degrees, the altitude and the speed itself. But these are simple apparatus. Now, I block my hand at the hole, and I pour the water to the brim. Then I'll have to release my hand. I put the stick at the center. It's like a wall clock, eh? It moves in a clockwise direction. Now comes. When it is clockwise at the north, what comes in your mind? Why is it clockwise at the northern hemisphere? Any idea? Do you have any idea? Why is it clockwise? Just try. Why is it clockwise at the northern hemisphere? Can you try?
I have no idea. No idea.
I want you to just try it.
No idea. No idea.
Is it how the earth is spinning? Good trial. Magnetic fields are good, correct. Another point?
I know what it is. I would say.
Okay, let's go now. We've seen that at the northern part, it goes in a clockwise direction. So first point, magnetic fields. Second point, deflection of winds. So what do I mean by saying deflection of winds? Look at the spear of the earth. There's North Pole and South Pole. So as the winds tend to move from the northern part of the hemisphere towards the equator, then from the line, which is at the 0 point, they deflect in a different direction, whether you have clockwise and anti-clockwise. It converges. Any question, please? Now we go to the southern part.
Anti-clockwise.
Okay, we are now at the south direction. Now, as you've seen, at the north was clockwise, at the south is anti-clockwise. The examples which I had given at the northern part is vice versa to the southern part of the hemisphere. Are you able to see, remember?
Yes.
The coiling plants like beans, the flushing of the toilet of the sink, the cyclone swings of the various and then being at the southern part in the anti-clockwise direction. Now, you've known the course of clockwise and yes, because of the north goes clockwise and the south anti-clockwise. Yeah, weather good. Other point Okay, one thing you should have noted here, as the water reduces, the rotation also reduces. So what does that imply? As you go further from the equator, the winds become stronger. As you come closer, it reduces. So the line should be still.
Let's try the line.
You finish it.
What will we move? We don't expect any movement. Yeah. So the water will keep going down.
I put it at the center, as I've done to both sides. See the difference.
Yes.
Should I put it like this?
Nothing happened.
What if we change the stick?
Yeah.
Change
Oh,
it.
fine.
Maybe change
The
it.
position.
Position. No. The
No.
opposite side. Like,
Yes, do it.
yeah, like that.
It
Just
will
go
go
back.
back.
Just go back
It's
to
still
the line.
going back to the
Because
So-
it's
line.
a level.
As
Yeah.
I told you earlier, the experiment is called Coriolis effect. So you may ask, why is it called?
Why? Because